Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to let you in on one of the best-kept secrets for a thriving garden, waiting until the soil warms up before planting those warm season crops. Trust me, this little tip can make a world of difference. So, why is waiting for warm soil so important? First off, faster germination. Warm season crops like tomatoes, peppers, squash, and beans need soil temperatures of at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 16 degrees Celsius for my metric friends, to germinate quickly. Cooler soil can slow down or even prevent those seeds from sprouting altogether. Next, let's talk about root development. Plants establish much stronger root systems in warm soil. This means healthier growth and better nutrient uptake for your plants. And who doesn't want lush, vibrant plants in their garden, right? Another key point, less risk of rot. Seeds planted in cold, damp soil are way more likely to rot before they even get a chance to sprout. Waiting for the soil to warm up means you're giving your seeds the best possible start. And let's not forget about pest and disease prevention. Many soil-borne diseases and pests are more active in cooler conditions. By waiting until the soil warms up, you're reducing the risk of those early season problems and giving your plants a healthier environment to grow in. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know when the soil is warm enough? Easy! Just grab yourself a soil thermometer and measure the temperature at a depth of 4 inches in the morning when temperatures are at their lowest. So, to sum it all up, don't rush to plant those warm season crops until the soil temperature is consistently at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll get faster germination, stronger roots, less risk of rot, and fewer pest and disease issues. It's a simple step that can lead to a bountiful, beautiful garden. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. See you next time.